Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the new Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer. In this video I'm not just going to apply this concealer, but we're also going to document how it wears throughout the day. I don't have any spectacular things to do today. I'm gonna try to wear this concealer for 12 hours. It is currently 9:50 AM. So I'm gonna try to keep it for like 12 hours. I will take you guys with me for whatever activity I'm going to do today. This video is in partnership with Tarte. Now please keep on watching to see everything you need to know about the new Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer. Now here's the king of this video. Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer. This concealer is supposed to be for people who have very dry under eyes. For mature skin, it's a full coverage concealer, just like the Tarte original Shape Tape concealer. Now, in my opinion, if I dare to say, I believe that this concealer is actually a medium coverage concealer that can be built up to full coverage concealer. I've always said this about the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, the original one, and I have the same opinion about the ultra creamy one. It's such a versatile concealer. If I had to choose one concealer formula for like the rest of my life, I would choose something that has medium or full coverage, because that can be, you know, molded into whatever you want. If you have a light coverage concealer, no matter how many layers you apply, it's never going to do the work that it's supposed to be doing. And you know, life happens. You have days when you've slept less and you really need that coverage. Let's get into the application. It looks exactly like the Tarte, the original Tarte Shape Tape. I love that they have kept the wand. The wand is so beautiful about this concealer. Now, can you please get me closer? I do have a little bit of foundation and some bronzer on. I've already applied eyebrow product. So we could just focus on this concealer. On this side, I'm going to use the sponge from Tarte. And then on the other side, I'm going to use a brush just so we can see the difference. So this is very, very creamy. And a little goes a long way. I probably applied a little bit too much. My color, by the way, is 27S. You could tell already that it's very hydrating. The color is also so good. Tarte has amazing colors for their complexion products. Now I'm gonna squeeze the sponge and just apply that concealer on the brow bone in the inner corner of the eye. Not so much on the mobile lid. This is not the first time I'm trying this concealer. I've been showing you the Tarte Shape Ultra Creamy Concealer on my stories as well, so I know what to expect. It is really, really creamy and hydrating. It's a big difference between the original Tarte Shape Tape concealer and this one. The original one is definitely great if you don't have a lot of wrinkles under your eyes, if your under eyes are not too dry. This formula is more like something I would need. Let's apply it on this side with a brush. Now let's spread it. From my experience, the difference between a beauty sponge and a brush is that the beauty sponge tends to deposit a little bit more product on the skin. So if you want more coverage, I would say use it with a sponge. And for a more natural look, use a brush. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but I can totally see that in here I've deposited less product because you really spread it and stretch it. I think that I would use a brush whenever I'm like on the go and I wanna apply makeup that is not very present on my skin. And then if I need a little bit more coverage, I would use a beauty sponge. What I really like about this concealer, other than the fact that it's formulated with a lot of skincare and it has a lot of moisture, is the fact that it doesn't crease. Can you get me like as close as you can? You guys see? Normally, very hydrating formula, as soon as you apply it, it starts to really crease. It does not happen with this formula. You see how hydrating the skin remained? We're gonna do a wear test. I've started this video at 9 o'clock, but by the time, I got ready and we're gonna take pictures, it's going to be probably like 10 o'clock. And I'm going to keep my makeup for the whole day. It wouldn't be fair if I wouldn't set my concealer, because this is something that I always do. Just a touch of powder. Now let's finish the rest of the makeup. There's not going to be anything complicated. I'm just gonna take this palette from Tarte and use this color right here. And I'm gonna have this applied all over the eyelid. And on the lower lashes. Then I'll be applying this Man-Eater mascara from Tarte. Some mascara on the lower lashes. Let's take a look at this mascara. This is the mascara situation. Let me apply on the other eye. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of this Shape Tape Glow Wand in a light. I've actually applied it on the back of my hand, and then I'll take it with this beauty sponge. This is a great highlighter because it doesn't have glitter at all. I'm going to apply a touch of Maracuja Juicy Lip in the color Rosé. It's actually what I had on my lips since the beginning of the video, but I'm just going to apply a good amount. Okay, this is my look. Now, before I move on with my day and taking you guys with me, although I don't know if this is going to be interesting for you because my days involves a lot of sitting on my computer, I wanted to tell you about a few offers that you will find on tartecosmetics.com. So for example, you could get these bundles where you could get the Tarte Shape Ultra Creamy Concealer with the Shape Tape Glow Wand. And if you use my code that I'm going to put in my description box and also on the screen, you have 15% off. You could also get a package between Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer and the Man-Eater Mascara, the one that I've just used. Now let me just show you how this concealer will be like throughout the day. This is 1 p.m. and maybe I should, can you see me well? This is what makeup looks like. Let me grab a mirror. Other than the fact that I have, no lipstick on, the makeup is the same because I haven't been doing anything, honestly. I've just been on my computer and editing, and maybe I had a snack or two. That's just being at home, I've been checking the fridge for a few times now. See you in a bit. In the weekend, I will have guests over, and I don't have enough plates. So I'm looking to get more plates and some knives. So I'm going to a kitchen shop, and the reason why I have to do it today is because tomorrow I'm leaving to Luxembourg, and I'm gonna be back late on Saturday, and there's no time for me to buy anything. Therefore, it has to be done today. Now, this is my office outfit today. We know I don't need to be dressed like I'm going to the office, but I kind of like pretending, else I will not have anything done. And I am out. Here's what my concealer looks like at 1:45. I am out. My friend Donna will come with me. We gotta hurry because at 4 o'clock I have a Zoom call. Oh, they have a few things. Not my style, not my style. I need knives. Yes. Yeah, I think this is the one I need. Maybe this should be better. Let me tweeze your eyebrows. Come on, Dana. I need this. You know when you put like egg on top of stuff? Ooh, the baker in me came out. I really need a new pan, Dana, but this is so heavy. Oh God. Who can carry that stuff? Oh look! This is for me. This is exactly what I need. This is, you know, like it's exactly the size of my palm. I think an egg can fit in here. Pourquoi il est assez lourd?
Parce que vous avez du fer à l'intérieur. Ce sont des poils qui sont en acier.
Ok, et ça je peux le mettre dans le four.
Vous pouvez mettre dans le four. C'est monsieur
Parfait.
la cuisine. Il est où votre mari? Il est ici en France?
Oui, il est ici en France.
Et il est à la maison. Il fait pas des
Il est à la
courses, lui.
maison, il fait pas des courses. Okay, this is another store that I've seen before and I showed you guys on my Instagram. Bonjour! Yeah, I love so many things from them. This is very Parisian, it's handmade in Paris. Their plates are also super nice and very, very original. Cheers, Dana! Perfect for plates. Oh, hi, baby. I love this. I have second thoughts whether I want to buy a 150 euros cup. Oh, it was 187 euros cup. I mean, it's beautiful, but imagine if you drop that. We're gonna get to Aesop and get some hand soap. Bonjour. Why is this place so aesthetically pleasing? Merci beaucoup.
De rien. Au revoir, merci.
Merci, au revoir.
Merci, au revoir.
Here, where now it's Saint Laurent, used to be the famous store Colette. $3:30. My phone call is at 4, but I'm gonna make it. I got some food. How's my concealer? Good. Still good. I got home and I have no time to eat. I have 2 Zoom calls, one at 4 p.m. and one at 5 p.m. So that means I will have no time to eat in between them because each Zoom call is going to be 1 hour long. Almond. I have an apple. 4 more minutes. One day I would love to come and see you. I've never been to Portugal, so I want to come visit Portugal. It is now 6:30 p.m. and it's time for me to prepare something to eat, and I'll be honest with you, I don't cook. It's my husband that cooks. I make the most delicious salad in the world. I can tell you this. Some spinach, some baby spinach, and I had this, and my secret is to cut it. I cut everything so that when you take a fork, you get a little bit of everything, you know? Okay. So I'm just gonna And now we're just gonna cut. This is the knife that I just got today. Now I'm going to add some tomatoes, and I cut them in 4. I use the juice from half a lemon. Okay. The olive oil. You gotta measure it, else you might end up adding way too much. Sea salt. Some pepper. Before I add my sauce on my salad, I put a little bit of gomasio, which is basically sesame, roasted sesame with salt. And then I will also add about half of a teaspoon of honey. Perfection. See you later when I'm gonna check out this makeup look in about 2 hours. I'm about to take my makeup off. It's 8:41 p.m. and I'm super tired. I woke up early today. I worked out and then I filmed and then I went for my little shopping session, which actually wasn't necessary, to be completely honest with you, but I wanted to take you around Paris and I committed to leave the house today. And then I came back, I had a Zoom call at 4 p.m. That was very rewarding. And then I had another Zoom call at 5 p.m. that was draining. It just like it took the energy out of me. Then we cooked, had dinner, and then I spent a little bit of time with Tana. Now she left and I wanted to take you in my studio lights so you could see what my under eyes look like. You could tell that I have powdered a little bit the under eyes, right? Because look at my skin in here, it's so oily. Now I have to pack for tomorrow because I'm leaving to Luxembourg, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was almost like you spent the whole day with me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Tarte for partnering with me in this video. Please check out the description box for the link and the 15% off code that I have for you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.